Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to discuss the rotation of a two-dimensional figure. If we rotate a two-dimensional figure, we will get a three-dimensional object. So for example, if we rotate a triangle, it becomes a cone. If we rotate a rectangle, it becomes a cylinder. If we rotate a circle, it becomes a sphere. Hint, if you see the word rotation, omit all choices that are polygons. The answer must have a circular figure in it. Let's take a look at the first example. If the rectangle below is continuously rotated about side W, which solid figure is formed? Is it a pyramid, rectangular prism, cone, or cylinder? So we have to visually think, if we take a rectangle and we rotate it continuously, we are going to end up with a cylinder. Remember, it has to have a circle in it. Let's look at the next example. A rectangle whose length and width are 10 and 6 respectively is shown below. The rectangle is continuously rotated around a straight line to form an object whose volume is 150 pi. Which line could the rectangle be rotated around? So we have four different choices: a long side, a short side, the vertical line of symmetry, and the horizontal line of symmetry. So let's take a look at each one individually. So if we rotate the figure along the long side, think of it if I have this rectangle on a stick and I rotate it. It's going to rotate this way, and I'm going to have another 6 here. So here, the radius would be 6 and the height would be 10. So to find the volume of a cylinder, is pi r squared h. So pi times the radius, which is 6 squared, times h, which is 10. Remember, we're looking for the volume to be 150 pi. 6 squared is 36. 36 times 10 is 360 pi. So this is not 150 pi, so answer choice 1 is out. Let's look at the next answer choice, the short side. So for example, if it's the short side, that means I rotate it here, and it's going to go this way. So that means the radius is going to be 10, and the height is 6. So put it in the volume formula, pi times the radius, which is 10 squared, times the height, which is 6. 10 squared, which 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 6 is 600 pi. That also does not equal the 150 pi, so answer choice 2 can also be eliminated. Next, we have vertical line of symmetry. Remember, vertical is up and down, so if I did it here, my radius would be half the 10, which would be 5, and my height would still be 6. So let's put it into the formula. Pi times the radius, which is 5 squared, times 6. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 6 is 150 pi. That matches my answer, or my volume of 150 pi, so the answer choice would be 3. Now I also want to show you why answer choice 4 does not work. So let's discuss that quickly. The horizontal line of symmetry would be this way, which means my radius would be half, which would be 3, and my height would be 10. So pi times my radius, which is 3 squared, times 10. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. So this would give me 90 pi. So again, my answer choice would be 3, the vertical line of symmetry. This is a difficult question because you have to look at each answer choice very carefully based on the diagram.